What's going on, guys? JT43 here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install a hydrosock / hydroshield, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty much a protectant. When you install an aftermarket air intake, you usually want to run this on cold air intakes, but whenever you install an aftermarket air intake, it's kind of good practice to run one of these hydro shields. They pretty much just prevent any kind of water or any kind of like really small debris into the air intake, potentially sucking it into your engine. Yeah, I'm going to be installing one of these hydro shields. Now, I got mine from Engine Technology. I'm also running an InGen air intake, so it's kind of just, you know, yeah, I have the engine air intake. I might as well get the engine Hydroshield. These are not universal, so I had to basically get one that fit my air intake. They do make universal ones, but I kind of recommend getting whatever brand you have. They should have a Hydroshield to go with it. Not to mention, I went with black, but they make a couple different colors. They make blue, red, green, purple. You can get whatever you want. I just went with black. I think it looks cooler. But yeah, let's go install this on the car. Just real quick, taking it out of the packaging, it looks like this. It's just literally a shield that goes over it. All right, so it's pretty simple. So I'm pretty much just gonna get the sock. I'm gonna have the lettering face up, and I'm gonna slide it in and expand it. Pretty much just work it up until it covers the whole air intake. Just like that. So you can see all the way around, it is pretty much on the air intake. Super simple, very easy to install. And that's pretty much it. If you did enjoy this video, if this helped you out in any way, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you later.